The basics of using an impact driver. Parts. Power supply. Variable speed trigger. Chuck. Forward, reverse, and lock switch. Speed selector. Safety. Wear safety glasses, use hearing protection, and tight-fitting gloves are recommended. Operation. Pull the chuck forward to remove a bit. Insert your new bit. Only impact-style rated bits should be used, as indicated by the small indent on the bit shank. Select forward to drive fasteners. Use a steady downward pushing force to drive the bit in, so the bit does not strip out the head of the fastener. Select reverse to remove fasteners. Again, use a downward pushing force to keep the bit in the fastener. You can center the switch to lock the trigger. Again, pushing force to fasten. Do not overdrive the fasteners too deep.